Welcome back, YouTube. Today I have an idle air control swap. This is, as you guys know, my '89 Camaro. Lots of work being done this weekend. So, next video that I got here is this bad boy that I picked up. And like all my videos, I'll go ahead and put it down in the description so you can have a link on where to get this and what the part number is and whatnot. So, this guy is located, put that down, right here up front. Obviously, I've taken out the air induction. There it is. If you guys don't know how to take that out, it's just a flathead. Loosen up both of those, and then these pins, it'll come right out. But once you have that off, you have more than enough room to come in here, and it's right here, and it's threaded into this piece right here. So all you have to do is get some pliers, or if you have a wrench that is big enough, you can fit it onto there. I believe, I only know the millimeter size, I believe it's a 32 millimeter. It's pretty hefty. I tried to get a socket on the end of it, but there's not enough gap up here for a socket to go on. So I've got some big old pliers, and I'm going to loosen this up, and we're going to swap it out. And there it is. Just got it out. Sadly, I don't have a big enough crescent wrench to go over this, or else it would have made my life a whole lot easier. But anyway, I got it out, and this thing is gross and crusty and old. So, that goes bye-bye. And just like you guys can see on there, that thing is nasty and crusty and gross. So I'm going to clean that out, get a little bit of wire brush action going on there, and a little bit of cleaner up in here, and make sure it's nice and clean, because it is grody, before I put the new one in. And of course, the actual sensor that plugs into the end in here is going to be cleaned, because I have some got some cleaner, electronic cleaner, and make sure everything's nice and clean before I start twisting that bad boy back in, and then we'll go over how to basically reset the system. It's nice and tight now. Make sure it's flush all the way in. You'll notice pretty much bottomed out. You can't really tighten it up anymore. But now that's done, plug it back in, and we're gonna go into the car and turn it to the on position. There's the on position, not started. Now we're back up in the engine. We're going to unplug this sensor connector. Now it's disconnected. That valve should be completely opened up. Now we're back in the car. Turn that off. Back up front to the engine. Now we can plug this back in. There we go. Now everything's been reset. You can put your throttle air controlling massive cool air thing that back in, and yeah, good luck, guys.